Title: How to Create a Website, a Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to create a website from scratch. Whether you're starting a blog, setting up an online portfolio, or launching a business website, this easy-to-follow tutorial will help you get started. Step 1. Define your purpose and goals. The first step in creating a website is defining your purpose and goals. Ask yourself, what is the main objective of my website? Understanding this will guide you in making the right decisions throughout the process. Step 2. Choose a domain name and hosting. Next, choose a domain name that represents your website's identity. Keep it short, easy to remember, and relevant to your content. Once you have a domain name, select a hosting provider to store your website's files and make it accessible on the internet. Step 3. Plan your website structure. Now, it's time to plan your website structure. Create a sitemap to visualize how your pages will be organized. This will help you build a user-friendly and logical navigation system. Step 4. Select a website building platform. There are various website builders available, each with its unique features and ease of use. Popular options include WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. Choose the one that best aligns with your needs and skill level. Step 5. Design your website. Presenter. Designing your website is a creative process. Pick a visually appealing theme or template that matches your brand or style. Customize colors, fonts, and images to create a cohesive and professional look. Step 6. Add content. Content is the heart of your website. Create engaging and informative pages. Include an About section, contact information, and whatever content is relevant to your site's purpose. Don't forget to optimize your content for search engines with relevant keywords. Step 7. Integrate functionality. Make your website interactive and functional. Add contact forms, social media links, and other elements that enhance user experience. If you're selling products, integrate an e-commerce platform for smooth transactions. Step 8. Test your website. Before launching your website, test it thoroughly. Check for broken links, formatting issues, and responsiveness on different devices. Ask friends or colleagues to give feedback for improvements. Step 9. Launch your website. Congratulations! It's time to launch your website. Make it live for the world to see. Celebrate your hard work and start sharing your website with your target audience. Step 10. Monitor and update. Creating a website is an ongoing process. Monitor its performance using tools like Google Analytics to track traffic and user behavior. Update your content regularly to keep your website fresh and engaging. Closing scene. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create a website. Remember, the key to success is dedication, creativity, and continuous improvement. Best of luck on your online journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may be starting their website building journey.